Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back. I hope your day is off to a great start. So today's video is a little bit of, I guess you could say, a bonus video. I am uploading my Christmas 2023 Decorate With Me series this year, but I have also been sharing some top 5 current, I guess you could say, favorite skincare products from a few of my favorite skincare brands. And I've been trying to line up those favorites with substantial sales so that you guys can get the very best deal on my suggestions, my personal suggestions. That's not to say that other products that City Beauty offers aren't fantastic. In fact, there's a lot that I have tried from City Beauty that I really enjoy. City Beauty is one of those skincare brands that I have used a number of products from for years. You guys know about my holy grails, the Complete Skin Restore. We'll get into these here in a second. But yeah, I was waiting to share my top 5 until this sale started, and it is starting today. So City Beauty is currently offering 40% off site-wide. So everything that City Beauty has to offer is currently 40% off. I will put the link to shop the sale at the very top of the description box. Everything that you add to your cart from that link should get you automatically 40% off. So yeah, City Beauty is honestly one of those brands that I rely pretty heavily on, specifically for, I guess you could say, anti-aging type products. I know that that is a term that is kind of starting to fall out of favor. But basically what I mean by that is I rely very heavily on their formulations because a lot of the ingredients that they include help to stimulate collagen production. They help to increase hydration in the skin. They just help my skin to look its best at this point, 45 years old. So I really love so many of their formulations, and quite honestly, they are what I would call like a higher end or a more pricey skincare brand, but the time to shop is when they have these sales, you guys. They only do substantial sales, like 40% off a couple times a year. And when they do, that's when I personally choose to stock up on my favorites. So I'm sharing 5 favorites with you guys today. These are products that I've been using for a very long time. They are products that I have personally repurchased with my own money multiple times, and products that I would wholeheartedly recommend. So we're gonna get into it, you guys. Check out the description box. I will put the names of everything down there as well, so you don't have to take notes. Let us dive in with the holiest of holy grails, the product that has really changed my hair. And now that I am dealing with regrowing my hair after having some underlying health issues for a bit, I lost a lot of hair. But you guys have seen my hair over the last few years and how it has gotten substantially longer. Honestly, until I started taking the City Beauty Complete Skin Restore, my hair never grew past a certain point. I don't know what the deal was, but when City Beauty was first testing these, the Complete Skin Restore out and sending it out to their ambassadors to be able to try and give feedback on the formula, I fell in love with the product then. And as soon as they released it, I purchased several months worth, and I have not stopped taking this ever since. It has literally been in pretty much every single beauty empties that you have seen from me in the last couple of years. I will not be without these. Also, these have also helped my nails to grow longer and stronger. These are my own nails. Now, I do have a dip manicure over top, but my nails are naturally so much stronger now than they have ever been. I absolutely adore this formula. Now, originally, I think their main focus with this was to improve the appearance of the skin. This has a lot of really great vitamins in it that help or are beneficial to the skin. So you have vitamin A, C, B1, B2, B3, B6. You have folic acid in here. And then I think the real key here is biotin. But this particular biotin in this formula has worked better for me than any other hair growth supplement ever has in the past. I absolutely adore this formula, and like I said, I will never ever be without it. I know a lot of you have started taking the Complete Skin Restore on my recommendation, and you're usually asking me, when is the next sale? When can I save some money on these? Because they are quite spendy just on their own. I will definitely admit that. But at 40% off, now would definitely be the time to stock up on a few months worth. I just think these are such a game changer for me. And during this sale, I will be getting my next 6 months worth. I have one more bottle that I will be opening at the beginning of December, and then I would be out. So from January to June, I should have myself covered with my order that I'm gonna be putting in. And if you too have been interested in trying these, now would be the time to do it for sure. I adore these. Also, one of the things that I really like about these, I tend to get pretty nauseous when I take supplements. Even when I take them with a meal, a lot of supplements are just really harsh on my stomach. This one has been the easiest ever to take. I never get nauseous from these. So they are a game changer for me. I will not be without them. I just absolutely adore them. The next product that I'm gonna mention, I just looked at the website and it looks like they are still sold out. But just in case they pop back into stock, you guys have also seen so many of these in my monthly empties. These are the City Beauty Line Smoothing HydroMasks. These are the sheet masks that I like to use every single Sunday when I do my spa night at home. I put one of these on and I lay down, I listen to some spa music, I relax, and when I take this off of my skin looks so youthful. It is crazy hydrated, it is plumped, my pores look smaller, everything just looks fabulous, and I have this deep, deep surge of hydration. They're a total extra in terms of like sheet masks. I don't think they're a necessity, but they're just something really nice that I do for my skin. I like to pop these oftentimes into the refrigerator before I put them on for a nice cooling and depuffing effect. But these just have some really great hydrating ingredients in here. There is glycerin in here. There is also coconut oil. There's Centella asiatica. This is just packed with, it's got peptides in it. This is just packed with wonderful ingredients that are fabulous. Also, I take the remaining, because these are quite, there's quite a bit of liquid for the sheet mask in here. So what I will do is the excess, I take out of the bag, I put it on my neck, I put it on my arms. I make this liquid go as far as it possibly can because it just is such a great formulation. So if these pop back into stock anytime during the sale, by the way, I will have all the sale information in the description box down below as well in terms of how long the sale lasts. Just check that out. Lots of information down there. If they happen to pop back into stock, so worth a try, especially at 40% off. I need a box for sure because I think I only have like 2 or 3 left. I've been kind of nursing my last box along a little bit because I knew this sale was coming, and I mean, if I don't have to pay full price, I don't want to. So anyway, I really hope those come back in stock. It's kind of sad to see that they were not in stock because your girl's ready to shop for this particular sale. Okay, the next product is actually one of City Beauty's most recent releases. This is their City Lips Night Oil. This is the second one that I am finishing, and I also have another one that is, I have one in my nightstand right next to my bed. goes on my lips every single night. And then this is the one, this sad little empty container here is, oh, it's not gonna focus. This sad little empty container is the one that I kept down by the bathroom sink, and I am literally scraping the last of this night oil out of here. Obviously, I don't just use this at night. This is such a fantastic lip hydrator, you guys. My kid gets crazy chapped lips all the time, and I have bought her all sorts of lip balms, different formulations. You know, the thing that always cures her lips the fastest? It's this. So I'm actually going to be picking up one of these for Stella to have. It is kind of a spendy lip oil, but again, at 40% off, I'm willing to buy Stella her own tube, because she really deals with she licks her lips all the time, which it's just a nervous thing that she has. But I keep telling her, I'm like, your lips are never going to completely heal if you keep doing that. So she's working on it. But in the meantime, when she puts this on, she does not have the urge to lick her lips at all because they feel very hydrated. This is all, by the way, that I have on my lips right now. It's just this night oil. So deeply hydrating. I took some notes on some of the ingredients of these things that I'm going to be sharing with you guys here. I never remember that stuff, so bear with me. You have Portulaca pilosa extract in here, plankton and floral extract. There's hyaluronic acid spheres, as well as a really great botanical barrier blend. This is just one of the very best lip oils that I think I have ever found. And honestly, I will not be without it. I will not. So I'm gonna need to replace my tube of this one for the downstairs sink as well. And then we gotta pick up one for Stella, because quite frankly, sometimes she walks off with one of mine, and not a big fan of that. But I think that's just par for the course. She's gonna be 12 in February. So yeah, she's getting into those preteen, I am swiping my mom's stuff stages, which I'm not a big fan of, but honestly, I remember doing it to my mom too. So what goes around comes around. All right, suggestion number 4 is this. Now, I have been using this product for a very long time. A little bit goes a long way. This is the Skin Lifting Booster. Okay, this is actually, you can use this on its own, but it is meant to be a product where you dispense a few drops into other serums that you're applying to your face, or toners that you're putting on your face, or moisturizers that you're putting on your face. You can mix this with pretty much anything that you are applying to your face, and it is going to give you a massive boost of peptides, which are such a great anti-aging ingredient. So basically, this formula is supposed to help firm your skin. It's supposed to help reduce the look of wrinkles and help with overall sagging. Now, is a skincare product like this going to completely lift skin that is severely sagging? No, it's not going to do that. But if you are kind of just going down that path of noticing laxity in your skin, now is the time to start incorporating ingredients that are going to help to keep things where they're at, hopefully just a little bit longer, until maybe your brain can catch up with the fact that you're aging. I know that my brain has trouble with that. And I've said this before, but I want to say it again. I am not against aging. It's going to happen to all of us. I think for me, it really is about aging gracefully and just taking good care of the skin that I have and making sure that I'm treating it properly and that it is on my face to protect, you know, what's underneath it. That's what our skin is for. You should protect the skin on your entire body. You know, use moisturizers, exfoliate, do all the things. But again, aging is a thing. It's going to happen to all of us. But I think for me, it's about just kind of slowing that process down and using the very best ingredients to keep my skin looking its healthiest for as long as it can. So Your ingredients in here, your key ingredients are just tons of peptides. There are structuring tetrapeptides in here. There are lipid encapsulating heptapeptides in here. There's seawater, red microalgae extract. There's hyaluronic acid tripeptide in here. There's edelweiss extract, white truffle extract. Check the ingredient list out on this product. It is packed with amazing ingredients that I think are doing a really good job of helping my skin stay as youthful as it can. Now, I've been using this for quite some time. I only put a few drops in with the other products that I'm using. When I first started using this, I was kind of using it straight up, just putting a few drops into the palm of my hand and, you know, like patting it in everywhere. But I have really enjoyed mixing this in with other products. Now, one of the products that I really like to mix this in with when I'm using it at night, by the way, this is not oily, it's not greasy. I have oily skin and I can easily use this during the daytime. Now, this product here, when I mix it in, this skin lifting booster in with the Microbiome night mask, I know that I am amping up the ingredients in here, which are already fantastic. I have mentioned this Microbiome night mask multiple times. I love this one. Now, I kind of treat this as a moisturizer. It's not the type of mask that you wash off. I basically put this on my skin like I would any like night cream. So I'll just kind of show you the texture here. So there you can see it on my finger, and I'm literally just going to rub it into my skin like a lotion. So you can see there, you can see my skin through it. It's not the type of mask, like a clay mask that you're gonna have to rinse off. In fact, you want this to stay on your skin overnight because you are going to wake up with the most lovely skin. I adore this stuff. And I think this is my second or third container of this. I can't remember, but she is a game changer. All right, so this is going to help support the skin's natural barrier. It's gonna balance the microbiome of your skin, and it's also going to help reduce the look of wrinkles. You get a really nice surge of hydration from this. So in here, you have a probiotic concentrate. You have Homeworx rapum extract. I might be saying that wrong. You have kombucha ferment in here. You have resveratrol as well as glycerin and a ton of other really great ingredients. This formula is fabulous. And if you want to wake up with the most supple, beautiful, hydrated, plumped skin, this mask is your best friend. Probiotics and prebiotics are fantastic for your skin, and if you've never read up on your skin's microbiome, I would really suggest researching that. It really makes a big difference to have a healthy microbiome on your skin, and it's just gonna help everything else work a heck of a lot better that you're going to pile on top of products like this. So these are my top 5 current suggestions for you guys. These are things that I have used, that I have purchased myself from City Beauty, that I love, that I swear by, that I think are absolutely worth investing in, especially at 40% off. My usual discount with City Beauty is only 15% off. So if you're in the market, I would say take advantage of this sale. If you have any questions about any of the other City Beauty products that you might be interested in, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I will definitely be checking comments this week. I'm mostly focusing on spending time with family because my family is coming into town for Thanksgiving, but I will be in the comments section. So if you have any questions, let me know. Again, these will all be listed and linked in the description box down below. Happy shopping if you choose to partake. And I appreciate you guys being here. I hope you have a fantastic holiday, and please subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Toodaloo.